Now, in an imperious display of speed, She's That Girl had no equal in romping to victory in the feature Trevor Simpson OD Trophy, going 5 furlongs round for a purse of $1.25 million at Caymanas Park on Sunday. Ridden by in-form apprentice TVJ Suku, She's That Girl registered back-to-back wins in imposing fashion in overnight company.
Races a team, and Unruly Don left out sped at the back. They're coming into the top of the lane. She's That Girl continues to dictate terms up front. She has all the speed as they arrive at the final 3:16. Teflon Don best of the rest, but needs to make up a lot of ground to catch the fleet-footed She's That Girl inside the final furlong. TVJ Suku and She's That Girl opening up a huge gap. A 16th to catch her. It's going to be impossible. They'll never stop. She's That Girl. She has decimated the field and wins the Trevor Simpson OD Trophy with ease, maybe by double digits.
The Stephen Todd conditioned 5-year-old chestnut mare with cracking splits of 23-2 and 46-3 for a final time of 59 4/5 of a second, won by an impressive 11.5 lengths. Meanwhile, apprentice Shaheem Gordon rode a double, while 3-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta saddled 2 winners. Racing continues this Saturday with the running of the Sir Howard and Hotline Stakes.